Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the hidden power of subconscious learning. Have you ever thought about how your brain absorbs information when you're not actively trying to learn? That's the power of subconscious learning, a fascinating concept that has a profound impact on our cognitive development. Subconscious learning occurs when we pick up new information, skills, or habits without consciously realizing it. It's like your brain is a sponge, soaking up knowledge without you even being aware of it. Let's explore this hidden power further. Imagine you're listening to a foreign language podcast while doing household chores. Even though you're not focusing on the words, your brain is still processing the sounds and patterns of the language. Over time, you might find yourself understanding more words subconsciously. This demonstrates how our brains are constantly absorbing information, even when we're not actively engaged in learning. Subconscious learning is not limited to just language acquisition. It also applies to various aspects of our lives, such as forming habits. Have you ever noticed how you start emulating the behaviors of people you spend a lot of time with? That's your subconscious mind at work, learning and adapting based on your environment. This can be both beneficial and detrimental, depending on the influences around you. If you surround yourself with positive, motivated individuals, you're more likely to subconsciously pick up their good habits and attitudes. On the other hand, negative influences can also impact your subconscious learning, leading to the adoption of harmful behaviors. Understanding the power of subconscious learning can help you take control of your cognitive development. By exposing yourself to positive influences and engaging in activities that align with your goals, you can harness this hidden power to enhance your learning process. Additionally, being mindful of the information you expose yourself to can influence your subconscious learning. For example, if you consistently listen to podcasts or read books on a particular topic, your brain will naturally absorb that information over time. This passive learning can complement your active study efforts and deepen your understanding of complex subjects. Harnessing the power of subconscious learning requires a combination of self-awareness and intentional exposure to valuable content. By curating your environment and being mindful of the information you consume, you can optimize your subconscious learning potential. Remember, your brain is always learning, even when you're not consciously trying. Embrace the power of subconscious learning and watch how it transforms your cognitive abilities over time. In conclusion, subconscious learning is a powerful tool that influences our cognitive development in profound ways. Through passive exposure to information and intentional environmental curation, we can enhance our learning processes and deepen our understanding of the world around us. So, next time you find yourself absorbing new information effortlessly, remember the hidden power of subconscious learning at play. Thank you for tuning in to today's discussion on the Audio Mova Learning channel. Stay curious, keep learning, and unlock the true potential of your subconscious mind.